Hey guys, how y'all guys doing? Thank you so much for coming to my website, Purpose to Promise Academy. We are a school that helps you to build wealth and legacy. My name is Coach Shakima S. Perry. So I'm glad you decided to tune in. And I just want to tell a little bit about myself. So, of course, like I mentioned, I'm a coach. I help you guys to build wealth, legacy, to go to that next level. You know how when it comes down to you want to build something for your family. That's what I'm about. That's what I want to help you do. So, just a little bit about my background. When I was 5 years old, I had a traumatic accident. I fractured my skull. Literally, yes, I fractured my skull. It was a terrible time. I dealt with a lot of mental issues, a lot of things going on in my mind, racy thoughts, emotional ups and downs. It felt like I had literally bipolar. Like that's how bad it was. And when I started growing up, I knew something was going on with me. I knew something was wrong. And I was like, oh my God, it's something going on. Like I was going to check myself in a mental institution, right? And fast forward, God did it. He delivered my mind. He gave me my mind back. And guess what I did? When I got my mind back, I started, not right away, but I started a book called The Mind Regulator. So I talked about all the different things I've gone through, went through, and I wrote it on paper. I made it a book, and literally it's out. It's out now. And I have another book as well. So that is my story. And how can I help you? Right? You probably asking, what is she talking about? How can she help me? I can help you to become a self-published author. I self-publish my book. I actually publish with a publisher and I self-publish. So I know how to do both. But when it comes to being a self-published author, it is so much less expensive and you can do it all on your own. You can have so many multiple books that you can actually create. So on this video, I believe it's at the top, right? Because before I thought it was at the bottom, but at the top, it says schedule a session, free session with me, right? So if you are ready to write your book, publish your book, sell your book, because I also will help you to teach you how to sell over $3,000 worth of books. That's what I did. And I actually sold more than that, but I can help you do that as well. So if you are interested in writing your book, it could be a book about your life like mine, or it could be a fiction book, it could be a sci-fi book, whatever it may be. If you're interested in writing your book, publishing your book, selling your book, go ahead and click on that link on above this video. It's a schedule session, a free session with me, and I will help you do that. And say, for example, you may not have a book. You're like, well, I don't want to write a book. I want something else. I can help you marketing strategy, how to sell on Facebook, Instagram, how to sell your products and services, how to build your credit, how to even go full time in the entrepreneurship. I can do pretty much everything, not everything, but I can do so many different things for you. Self-development, anything. If you're interested in doing any type of one-on-one session with me, that I can help you to build as a person, build legacy, build wealth, go ahead and email me at purpose2promise@gmail.com. It is time to build wealth for your family and just build wealth for yourself. You do it for you, right? So that is what I can do to help you. So click on the link, schedule free session with me if you want to be a self-published author. And if you just want to contact me and you need help with anything when it comes to business and finance and all these different things that you want to do for your life, go to purpose2promise@gmail.com. So enough about me, enough about what I can do. Go ahead and click on that link. I want to make sure that I can help you go to the next level in your life. Thank you for tuning in this video and thank you for visiting Purpose to Promise Academy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.